Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I want to show you the gotv customer care representative's number. So if you are to activate a new gotv decoder, or you are having some difficulties on your gotv decoder and you would like to contact them for help, the number will be listed on your screen with a country name attached to it. You pick it and then you call them for help. But if it's not making an inquiries about the gotv product and services, but you are to ask them for help about your gotv related programs, or you are to activate a new decoder, they're going to ask you for your gotv IUC number, or the smart card number, or your account number if you have already registered. So this IUC number or the smart card number, you're going to find it at the back of your gotv decoder. They used to place some stickers over there that have the IUC number. Or if you can't find a sticker on your gotv decoder, you can pick up your remote and then you press on the gotv button, which is the green button on your remote. And from the gotv menu here, use the arrow top and down key, and then you look for information central. You find it and then you put it on it, you press OK. So on this page, we have the IUC number on top of the list over there. So you pick this number. They're going to request for the IUC number if they are to solve any problem related to your gotv decoder. So you note down this IUC number before calling them for help. The number also will be listed on your screen. You pick it up and then you call them for help. gotv and DSTV are under multi-choice. So if you have a multi-choice or gotv or DSTV number, it's the same as the gotv customer care number. So you can call the number that you think it's for DSTV customer care representatives, and they're going to help you out. And make sure that you have enough airtime before you proceed to call them for help. They're going to do that at a normal calling rate, and they don't normally work on weekends. So usually on Sundays, you are not likely to get them for them to help you out with your program. So make sure that you call them on working hours. Alright, so that's it. If this video has been helpful, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.